Alright, so I've been waiting for around 10:45. Finally looking for an entry here. Alright, on the book map, come to the area of VWAP, and you got this previous area of selling, this area of low volume here as well. So we can look for our pop into there. Might be looking to short, just waiting for confirmation here. On ES, got this base and rally period right here. We have that breakout as well. And you see every time we came up to here, sell, 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 sell on the VIX. Here, looking to sell on UVXY, looking to sell on the VIX. So if we can find confirmation for shorts, I'm looking short here. And I'm going for the lower of day target, a lower of day target here, down to these lows. So that's VWAP. Let me see. So the RR down part POC. Alright, look on the book map here. Book map rejecting VWAP. Not really aggressive buying here at the top. But we got a lot of buying at the 95, so no follow through at all. So you can get a failure here. Alright, we're going lower on the VIX too. The VIX had a key area. This is really like very key area for shorts here. Key area for shorts. Key area for shorts. This is part of my pre-market plan. Also, I got that high sitting here. Got that low sitting here. Alright, the alert just went off as well. Alright. Now we're going higher here. Alright. I'm really looking to shorting here. This is a very key shorting area right here. Very key shorting area. Just gonna get some sellers kicking in here. Looks like it'll be a top reversal. Reversal buying. Alright. Got some good selling coming in here. See, buyers still in control here. I don't want to get an early entry. We had a very key area. We had a very key area on the VIX. Very key area. On both, actually. On both. I really want to look for some type of precision in this entry. They got outlier, a lot of buying here. They're getting a little bit of some follow through here. All right, I like that. I like it. I like it. I'm getting here. So, give get a small pullback, I'm getting in here. Alright, I'm short here at the 95s, stop above the 98s. Confirmation. Nvidia look like it can go lower and short squeeze lower. We had a key area on the VIX, key area on UVXY, and this is my sell key area here as well. On the book map, aggressive buying, sell, and see, can we break this VWAP? We got a lot of aggressive selling just came in. See, can the aggressive sellers actually hold market price lower? This is a 3-point stop loss here. I got 3 stabs in this, essentially. Let's see what's going on here. The buyers are still in control here. I do want to see a flip on that switch. The sellers hold price lower at these extremes. Key, can we get some volatility in here? On book map, we're clearly holding this level here. Now stop is above the 98s. So clearly there's a passive seller holding this level. Once buyers kind of let their feet off the gas, then we're gonna see. I'm short and going for a lower day. Got aggressive buying, pop, aggressive buying, pop, aggressive buying, pop, aggressive buying, pop. Do need to watch out for this area been holding and this. Let me see. This area been holding. Also, this area been holding as well. Got a little bit of buying coming in here, so you can see a failure. But this is an A+ setup. This is an A+ setup. Even if I lose in the trade, this is an A+ setup. I'll take it over and over and over again. And the trigger, we got aggressive buying followed by aggressive selling. Pull back to origin. Got a lot of failed buying in here. So selling look you failed here. What are we gonna see? Very lackluster though, but it's all about timing if anything. Video needs to start going lower. The VIX needs to start going lower. UVXY needs to start going lower, and the regular VIX needs to start going higher. Alright, we got some selling coming in. The reason I'm zoomed out like this, because we got this entire range we're looking at. I don't need to look at every small little piece until we start actually probably going down to close. I'm trying to really see the absorption. Because when you're zoomed out on the book map, you kind of see, okay, aggressive buying, sell, aggressive buying, sell, aggressive buying, sell, aggressive buying, sell. Aggressive buying, do we have a sell-off or not? Right? I don't really want to see another aggressive buyer come there. That'd be very weird, honestly. So you're going to bring this market lower. Only thing we're really missing in trade is this really good volatility, to be honest. So you got some good selling coming in here as well. So you can break out this range here. We can take out these lows, probably see some aggressive selling coming in here. I don't like how we're playing around in this range though. It makes me want to close it and see, can I reopen a better entry? Possibly. Bar still control on the option tape, but we're not really going higher. Oh my god, what the fuck? Yo, oh, yo, oh my god, oh my fuck, yo, this, what? I close it, I'm closing. Oh, jeez, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, this is crazy, this is as oh. Yo, what the shit? Wait, did this news just come out? Wait. This is insane. This is crazy. Oh my god. I've been trading for a long time. I have never seen nothing like this before. Wait, there's no way there's news out right now. There's no way. Can't even close my entry. What the fuck? Oh my god, they probably blew a lot of people's accounts today. Oh shit. Wait, what is going on? I can't even close my fucking trade. Give me all the profits, give me all the to me. Look at the VIX. Confirmation. Oh my god, bro. Okay, close it. Close it. Close this bad boy. Let's go. Confirmation is fucking key, bro. Jeez. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my god, that was insane, right? That was insane. Close it. I can't even close my goddamn entry. Jeez. Hey. Now that's a crazy fucking trade though. Look at all that selling. They probably left hella zero prints in there. Hella zero prints in that move there. I'm still in this bad boy. What the fuck? I'm still in here. Jeez. This is insane. This is crazy RR, like dead ass. I'm about to be up for. No, there's no way. Actually, this is insane, like dead ass. I put it all in my notes, bro. It's still going. It's still going. Oh my fucking fucking god. Oh. Oh my goodness. This is bonkers. Look at the tape. I don't even I don't even know what I'm looking at right now. And it's still going, bro. Bro, Trump came out with a massive tariff increase on Chinese imports. Oh my goodness. That's the reason why would you have that crazy sell-off. That's why we had that crazy, insane sell-off there. Trump came with some crazy news. I mean, it was still it was the pre-market plan. It was the pre-market plan, I'm telling you. Jeez. Wait a minute. This bad boy is still going here. We're still going. We're still going. Oh, he's still going. Jesus Christ. This shit is dead ass still going here. Give it all to me. Give it all to me. I take it. I take it all. Alright, let's see what the VIX is at. Alright. Breaking all the key levels in the world, right? Alright, I finally closed that bad boy. Finally closed that shit. Good trade. WS trade right there. I gotta put that in my notes right there. That's a good trade. Bro, that's insane shorts. Alright, so that going to that's expected R, that was 20R in that trade. 20. I guess I gotta just paste this fucking bookmap shit in. Definitely legendary shorts, legendary confirmation for sure. We're still going though. I mean, they probably liquidated a lot of accounts today. Today got a lot of accounts got liquidated, honestly. So what do you do like on a lot of accounts? They did it. What do you do? It's nothing like. Oh my god, so many accounts got liquidated today. Right at 9:56, bro. That's why timing is always everything, bro. Timing is literally everything. $10.56. All that buyers sold, sellers went higher. Oh shit, that was I don't even know what to call that right there.